My name is Izian and I'm managing ISKL Landscape together with my team. So basically ISKL, we produce many types of waste such as domestic waste, gardening waste, clinical waste, construction waste and many more. So for my team, our nature of work, especially when they do grass cutting or trimming, we produce gardening waste. So what is gardening waste? Basically, gardening waste, it consists of leaf, grass clipping, twigs and branches. Me personally, I never counted how many gardening waste we produce in ISKL. But for our field, our Zurich field, the size is roughly like 6,500 square meter. And we roughly in 1 week, we produce 140 kilo. Our school grass area, the size is roughly 26,700 meters square. So imagine roughly how much we produce, maybe 4 or 5 times more what we produce from our field. I used to call it gardening waste, but actually we can turn it into something useful. If let's say you observe around our school, you can see like we use some of the grass clipping, we use as a mulching. But some of other gardening waste, we put it inside our recycle center and we turn it into compost. What are some of the main issues that we experience with our composting system is that the efficiency of the work itself. You know why? Because my gardener, when they do grass cutting, they need to pack the waste and then they need to unpack at recycle center. And also they need to bring the waste from point A to point B. They need to use trolley to bring the waste to recycle center. Not everybody in ISKL know that actually we have this composting. So in terms of educational purpose, maybe it does not benefit everybody. So because of the issue that we experience, we try to come up with solutions. So how we do it? Some of the idea is that we come up with this satellite compost bin where it comes with smaller sizes and we will place it all over the school. You know why I like about this satellite compost bin is that, as you can see, it's very easy to construct. Very easy. You just take like about 5 to 10 minutes to construct, and it's very practical, economical, and also value of money. And as you can see, it's very light. It's easier for you to turn it, and then it's very durable. It can last for a long time. And as you can see, it comes with smaller holes so that when you put your gardening waste inside, the gardening waste will not come out and it will not mess the area. It is very easy to do the compost bin. First, we need to measure the mesh so we can get the correct diameter. Second, we cut the mesh. Third, we attach the wooden pole. Fourth, we secure them with stapler and cable tie. It is very easy to do for everybody, including staff, teacher, ISKL community and students to do it. Please bear in mind that actually this compost bin is designed for gardening waste only. So please do not put any rubbish or any food waste inside this bin because we don't want any smell odor and we don't want to invite any pests, especially rodents, to come here. So I hope that in future, ISKL community will look at this bin like a normal view, like our sustainable way in ISKL.